This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, privacy glass, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Framingham Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1200 Worcester Road in Framingham.